Hello everyone, my name is Daksh. This is my Sprint 10 submission, Tata Hub V2, a production-ready RESTful blog API built using Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB Atlas, and Mongoose. In this video, I will demonstrate the project, the documentation, and the working API. This is project documentation. It includes the project overview, features, technology, tech stack, API endpoints, project structure, installation steps, and use instruction. Everything you need for this or on the information of this is inside this readme. You can see the features of this one, the project structure, the tech stack, the architecture diagram, how is the work, API documentation here, health and system, how to get the health and get the code, everything here, how to do code operations here, how to install. First go on the repo, navigate to Sprint 10, install dependencies, create an environment file, add your MongoDB URI, Mongo URI here, ports, password, node env development. And start the server inside the repo. MongoDB Atlas setup. First do this, make cluster, make database, and copy the Mongoose URI and paste in your env file. The env variables, three env variables, Mongo URI is required. For Postman testing guide, create a user, you can create users like this. All the operations here you can copy paste from here. So this is live deployment of my API hosted on Vercel. The root endpoint confirms that API successfully deployed and provides the available documentation endpoints. Now we will check the operations I will do in Thunder client. Now I will first check the health, and you can see here it is successfully. It's true, health check completed, and everything is done. Then I will create the username, Daksh, email, password, and role. Here you can see it is true, and username created status, the created. I will get users and get. I will get the all data. It is API, it is users. If I will put this inside this, this is the ID of the data. If I did, this is updated. You will see here. Then if I want to see the stats, and I see stat the users and all the zeros. If I want to talk to this is ID, I want to delete it, the user is deleted successfully. All the operations successfully cleared in this. This concludes my Spirit 10 demonstration. Thank you for watching.